We know about a very good disproportionation reaction when chlorine gas is passed over boiling hot sodium hydroxide solution. And it is a disproportionation reaction because two different products are formed having Cl, that is chlorine, and therefore the oxidation state of chlorine before the reaction and in the two different products formed are different. Based upon this, there is a variation in oxidation state of chlorine gas when it reacts with hot sodium hydroxide. So based upon this, there is an important question which has appeared in different competitive examinations earlier. So let us go through the question. The question is like this: when chlorine gas reacts with hot sodium hydroxide solution, oxidation number of chlorine changes from different options are given. We have to find out which is the correct option. Therefore, we need to write the reaction between chlorine gas and hot sodium hydroxide solution. When chlorine gas is passed through hot aqueous sodium hydroxide solution, you get a product which is known as sodium chloride, and the other one is sodium chlorate. Now, in both the cases, you find that chlorine atom or ion is there, and therefore we have to find out the different oxidation state of chlorine in the molecular state as a reactant and chlorine in the ionic state in the two different products. One of the product is sodium chloride and the other is sodium chlorate. Now, therefore, let us find out the oxidation state of chlorine in the molecular or elemental state is always zero as it is known to us. And then in sodium chloride, the oxidation state of chloride as a negative ion is -1. Now we need to calculate the oxidation state of sodium chlorine in sodium chlorate. Again, it is a ionic compound, but still there is a complex ion as chlorate ion. Therefore, we need to calculate it separately, and it is calculated as referred here. You can see that sodium has an oxidation state of +1 because it is ionic. Oxygen, of course, has an oxidation state at -2, and 3 oxygen atoms are there. Therefore, 2 into 3, it becomes -6. And then we have to set up an equation for calculating the oxidation state of chlorine in sodium chlorate, and thus we find that the oxidation state of chlorine in sodium chlorate is +5. Now, therefore, we can very easily make out that what will be the correct answer. Now we find that chlorine in the zero elemental state has changed to two different oxidation states as -1 and +5. Therefore, this refers to correct option at D, and naturally, therefore, this is our correct option. Thank you very much. I suppose you must have got about this typical reaction. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much again.